Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the case, SIM tray, and any SD card. This prevents shorting and gives access. Once done, use a small Phillips and a plastic spudger to remove any visible screws and pry the rear panel gently. Make sure to work on an ESD mat and keep screws organized. You're looking for obvious obstructions, corrosion, or a detached ribbon cable if the button feels loose. Document the movement so you know whether to replace the bracket or clean contacts. After opening, disconnect the battery right away to avoid shorts, then locate the volume button flex cable and its metal bracket. Once accessible, apply 90% plus isopropyl to a swab and clean the contacts and the area under the plastic button. This removes grime that causes sticking or no response. If the flex looks damaged, replace it, align the connector and press gently until it clicks. Then reconnect the battery temporarily and press the volume down to confirm contact. Reassemble the phone in reverse, ensuring the flex cable and bracket sit flush, screws are snug but not over-torqued, and the rear panel clips engage. Once reassembled, boot up and verify volume down behavior across apps. Make sure to test during calls and media playback. If the button still fails, rule out software. Boot to safe mode, test, and consider a factory reset only after backup. If software isn't the cause, replace the volume button assembly or consult a technician. One common troubleshooting tip: try a known good flex from the same model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.